Have you ever been recording for a role and your throat starts to itch, but you just stick it through because you think it sounds good so far, and then after you finish the role, you're just like you just start coughing really hard, and it sounds like this. Like your voice just sounds like this. Ow! It's really painful. Ow! I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know I could do this voice like sustainably for so long. It's actually a lot easier to talk like this than I did earlier when I started coughing. Oh, this is actually kind of relieving. Oh man, this feels good. Oh boy. Oh, back to normal. Okay, guys, have a great day.